Hi guys, Sansu is back and today we are going to talk about how did the formula of area and perimeter of parallelogram came into existence. So, as we know, the area of a parallelogram formula is its height times the length of the top and bottom sides, or we can say the base times height. So how did the formula came into existence? We are going to check that now. So first I am going to draw a parallelogram here. In this parallelogram here, this is the base and this is also the base. This and here this is the height and this is also the height. Between these two lines all the height will be uniform. So this is the height and this is also the height. Now here I think if I will move this part of the shape to this part, then I will not be adding nor removing any part. So it means that the area would be the same. So the parallelogram was a bit wrong, but now as you can see it formed a rectangle and the formula of the rectangle area is the formula of rectangle area is its length times its breadth. So the length is this bottom side and the breadth is this side. So here this length is nothing but the base. So instead of this length we can write the area as the base times the breadth, and this breadth is nothing but the height. So the base times the height. This is the formula of area of the parallelogram. So now we are going to discuss about the formula of the perimeter of a parallelogram. So the perimeter would be the sum of all the sides of a shape. So in this case the sides are A and the parallel side will be also the same length A. This is a B and this is also the B. So in this case the perimeter would be A plus B plus A plus B. So as you can see, A is 2 times and B is also 2 times. So we can change it to 2A plus 2B. And as you can see, 2 is a common factor. So we can bring it outside of brackets and 2 of A plus B. This is the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a parallelogram. 2 of A plus B. This is all for this part. If you like this video, then like it and share it with your friends and family members. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Till then, thank you.